Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max camera blurry and out of focus. If you're expressing issues with the camera on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max, particularly if it's producing blurry and out of focus images, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. So guys, first of all you have to do is simply clean the camera lens. The lens of the camera may be smudged or dirty, affecting image quality. Use a clean microfiber cloth to gently wipe the camera lens. After this, then you have to do is check for protector case. If you are using protective case, it might be interfering with the camera's focus. Try removing the case and see if the issue persists. After this, then you have to do is restart your iPhone 15. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. Turn off your iPhone by going to settings, tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone, then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Update often include bug fixes, so you have to open your software update to check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. After this, then you have to do is turn off background app refresh. Background app refresh may affect camera performance, so you have to go back and go to your background app refresh. Again, tap on background app refresh and you have to make sure that it's disabled. After trying these or all and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to reset your camera settings. To do this, you have to go to your settings, go to your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.